How to select and edit all headings at once in Word. So if you want to select and edit all headings at once in your Word document, then first you need to open up your Word. Now after opening your Word, if you want to select and edit the headings, there are two types of headings. One is the manually adjusted heading or manually added heading, and the other one is title headings. So if you've manually adjusted, then for example, I'll just simply go and click on the heading which is right here. So once you click on it, then as you can see that it is still saying that it's a normal text. So if you want to select and edit this manually adjusted headings, then you just need to simply move your cursor there or just click on any word, but don't select the whole text. Once you've selected, for example, I'll go with this one, which is chapter 1, 2, and 3. So you need to go with select which is on the right side, upper right side, and then you need to go with select all text with similar formatting, and it will select all of the text with the similar formatting. As you can see that it has selected the text right here. And once it's selected, now after selecting this kind of heading, you just need simply go and change the font of the heading if you want to, and you can also go with the text color, and you can change anything that you are comfortable with this manually adjusted headings. Now, if you have other type of heading, which is like this, if you have this kind of heading, if you click on the heading, then it will take you to the heading 1 or heading 2, this kind of interface. If you have this kind of headings, then you can just simply move your cursor there, and then you can go with select and then go with select all text with similar formatting, and it will select all of the text with the similar formatting. If you scroll down, then as you can see that it has selected all of the text with the similar formatting, which is a summary, the introduction, everything that has heading 1, right? Or you can also go with the other option, such as right click on the heading 1 section, which is here on the top right, and you can go with select all 43 instances. So in my case, I have 43 headings. So I'll just simply go with select all 43 instances, and then you can just go and edit the text or bold that or change the color, and you can just simply go and edit all of the headings at once. So that's how you can select and edit all headings at once in Word. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.